Hi, today I would like to show you about mouse gesture in SolidWorks. Mouse gesture is a shortcut to execute a command or macro quickly, similar to a keyboard shortcut. To use this command, we just need to hold the right side button of the mouse and move it with little distance. Then, a shortcut icon will appear, then we can choose the desired command. The use of mouse gesture as shortcut can greatly improve the performance of SolidWorks users. We can set up to 8 different gestures for each situations include sketching, part, assembly and drawing. We can also customize the command according to user preferences. To customize the command of the mouse gestures, please click on the Customize. Then the small window will appear, and select the Mouse Gesture tab. We can disable the mouse gestures by unchecking on this box. We can also choose either 4 or 8 gestures, depending on the user. By checking this box, we can see the current commands of mouse gesture being used. If we want to change the command, the first step we need to find the desired command. Because there are many commands in SolidWorks, so it is very difficult for us to find the desired command. With that, by writing the name of the command in this box, we can find it easily. Next, set the command according to the situation, as well as the direction of the mouse movement. Once finished, the final step is, click the OK button. That's all for today. Hopefully it will benefit all of you. Thank you.